Hello, lovelies. This is the cable stitch. It's not too different from the stem stitch, so you should find this really easy. Bring your needle up through the fabric, and we're going to work this like we would a stem stitch. So we're going to do a stitch length, and then we're going to come back up in the middle on the same line as this stitch. Keep the loop, it really helps for a little while. Pull your needle all the way through. So we're going to do this stem stitch. Go back down through the fabric and up through the fabric in the middle again. But this time, take your needle and thread downwards. Then we're going to work our stitch. So do one stitch length, come up through the fabric there, but take your needle and thread upwards. What you're basically doing is a stem stitch, but each alternate stitch is different. One is on top, one is below. On top, below. So we're going to work this again. Take your needle back down through your fabric. Bring it up in the middle. Take your needle and thread upwards, just like this. Work your stitch, bring it back through the hole, and take your needle and thread downwards. And here we are with a speedy version to save some time. So as you can see, one stem stitch on the top and the other stem stitch below it. Your cable stitch. Happy stitching.